Good evening, my name is Gerardo Salinas and I will be doing an executive summary of the Allstate Corporation, which is headquartered at 2775 Sanders Road in Northbrook, Illinois. The company was established in 1931 and has been headquartered at Northbrook, Illinois ever since. It is in the financial sector. Its industry is property and casualty insurance, and it has approximately 37,000 full-time employees. It is traded in the NASDAQ. Its primary product is insurance through subsidiaries. It engages in the personal property and casualty insurance, life insurance, and retirement and investment products. The business primarily in the United States. It also has, through the Allstate Protection segment, it sells the private passenger auto and homeowner insurance products to individuals under the Allstate, Encompass, and Esurance through agencies, agents, and phone centers and the internet. It also provides specialty products for small business owners and individuals, like insurance for motorcycles, RVs, ATVs, anything that has to do with recreation. It also, through the financial segment, provides life insurance, retirement and investment, and voluntary accident and health insurance products. These products include traditional and variable life insurance, fixed annuities, including deferred and immediate, voluntary accident and health insurance, and funding agreements backing medium-term notes. This segment markets its products through various intermediary distribution channels, including its agencies and financial specialists, independent agents, and specialized structured settlement brokers, as well through call centers and the internet as the others. If we look at some key statistics, we can see that Allstate's market cap is at 16.75 billion, and enterprise value is at 20.2 billion. If we look further into the financial highlights of Allstate, we can first say that the fiscal year ends on December 31st, and the profit margin is at 3.13%. The operating margin is at 5.26%. The return on assets, we can also see that it's at 0.84%. As far as return on equity, it's at 5.34%. Looking at the income statement, we can see that revenue is at 32.92 billion, whereas the revenue per share is at $64.22. The quarterly revenue growth is approximately 3.3%, and the gross profit was at 9.09 billion, whereas the earnings before income tax was at 2.02 billion. The diluted earnings per share would be at $2.01. The balance sheet, we can see that the total cash available is 2.56 billion. The total cash per share, it's at 5.2, or $5.20, and the total debt is at $6.05 billion. The total debt to equity is at 31.48. The current ratio is at 0.5. The book value per share is at 38.91. If we look at the cash flow statement, the operating cash flow is at 2.01 billion, and the levered free cash flow is at $1.85 billion. That concludes the executive summary for the Allstate Corporation. Thank you.